Today, 11th of May, year 2023, at Thursday. The Tathagata Meditation Center, San Jose, in California. Special Vipassana retreats. Keep on encouraging Dhamma discourse, sharing the knowledge with our yogi. Our yogi also strive to get the experience the whole day, morning, about 4:30 starts until 10 o'clock. So we are looking for what? We are looking for the truths. We are looking for the nature. We are looking for the real. That is our life. One of our Sayadaw mentioned, Vipassana is life television, internal life television. After you open switch on the television, you have to search. No need to put anything yourself. Whatever our life means is this body and mind, show us what they are show. We must see as real as they are. Normally is our yogis, we put a lot of our own suggestion. This one may be that, this one may be no. Whatever it is, just stay at the present. Whatever is show us, we see, we understand. Oh, it is like that. Oh, it is like that. Oh, it is very clear. What is clear to see is this mind and this body. This is our life, right? Don't forget this information. This message is for Vipassana yogi, very, very important message. Life is only this mind and body function. Very easy to understand. A person who passed away, there is no mind. So the body cannot use anything. Now we are still alive. We are still alive. We have to cultivate this effort, mindfulness, concentration, to study, to learn, to observe, to know, to clear off our wrong idea. And it's very important. People may think of this always based on I, right? What the Buddha say, no I, no soul, no inner core. But difficult to clear off this. We are based on I. All the time I talk, you listen. You talk, I listen. What I eat, I hear, I see, all the things based on I. This I, this atta, you say, this atta is created by somebody or whatever put beside. Our Buddha say there is no atta, only have mind. We can say direct in Pali is Citta. Have you heard about this word? Citta, C-I-T-T-A. Atta and Citta, sometimes they use the same meaning. But sometimes, even though our consciousness also, they may use as atta. That is why a lot of confusing. So our Buddha mentioned very clear. Today, I will mention of this. By the theory, how is this atta and citta is different? We must clear in this retreat. After clear already, you can putting out this atta from our life, then our final goal is there. Wrong view and skeptical doubts, right? Totally, you can get right view already, save our life. By knowledge, by understanding, by experience. That is step by step. Now all of our yogi, by knowledge, to understand is our duty. We will try our best to explain to you all what we learn, what we practice, what we know, what we share. To understand until clear of this right view, that is our duty. To get the experience is we cannot help you. You must do yourself, right? So tonight, I would like to explain about what is the mind. They say mind and this citta and atta is the same or different. What the Buddha said, totally different. Atta is no more atta, this anatta, right? Citta is yes, citta. What is the citta? If we cannot understand clearly about our consciousness, mind, citta is in Pali, in English, what they translate is a mind or consciousness, right? What is the mind? What is the consciousness? Our Buddha give the definition. Citan aramanan cente titi citan vijana titi atho. It is the direct Pali words. The meaning is that ability to know the object that is called citta. Object is aramana. Because of this consciousness, we know the object. Understand? Huh? That is important. Don't forget this definition. Everybody, we must clearly understand what is the mind. Mind is the things, we can say the things. Mind is the thing, something. Mind is the something that has ability to know the object. Can get or not? What is the mind? The mind is something that has ability to know the object. Can get that? That is must be clear. We can repeat. What is the mind? The mind is something that has ability to know the object. We have mind, we know the object. A person who passed away, there is no mind, can know the object or not. Even though every being is not only human, animal also, celestial being also, Deva also, Brahma also. So every mind has ability to know the object. Material things like a table, like a chair, like building, that is rupa. Don't know the object. Don't have the feeling or the thing. This mind, knowing the object. Yes. Without mind, we don't know the object. Must make clear. So, second question is, where is our mind? That is, the day I mentioned, our minds inside our body, that means it's not the Buddhism. Understand what I mean? That is wrong view. Nivasi atta. You don't forget. I say the Buddha what they already mentioned about 4 atta, right? Nivasi atta. The atta means stay inside our body. That is wrong view. The mind stay inside our body. That also wrong view. So people ask question mark, where is your mind? How we can answer the right way of the answer, the solution, what the Buddha give. Mind is not exist in our body. Just all our yogi, majority already understood, already got experience, arise and pass away. Understand what I mean? Uriya means arising. Vaya means passing away. Any time is arise and pass away, arise and pass away, arise and pass away, arise and pass away. Why we think, why we feel we have continuously arise. Understand what I mean? Continuously very fast vibration. They arrive. One finger snap. How many times they arise and pass away? 1 trillion. Right? So fast. That is why come and go, come and go, come and go. We can see. Then we feel it. There is. There is. Yes, there is. Why? If there is not, we cannot know anything. Right? Mind is what? The ability to know the object. There is mean very deep. The man, why I talk after nearly 2 weeks already now. Fast 1 week, I cannot talk this one because I need to check my audience ear. Can be a listen or not. If you talk to the public, it's difficult to understand that type of idea. Really. Because it cannot see arise and pass away of this phenomena, this our mind and our feeling. Now all of our yogi, we can see pain, the feeling, right? Feeling is a mental formation arising together with the mind. They are coming together, arising together. Volitional action, perception, all these mental formation are arise together with the mind, pass away together with the mind. That is come, go, come, go, come, go. The majority lah, because more than half. I saw now I interview more than 20 already. So I got the information already from my yogi. That is why I talk this. This arise and pass away, arise and pass away. If you cannot see arising and passing away, we think of this mind is constant in our body. No, that is what the Buddha found out. Talking to us very clear about this. A person who really got this Uriya Jnana. Uriya Jnana means arising and passing away of phenomena very clearly can catch. That is number 4 already. Vipassana Jnana. Understand? First one is a Nama Rupa Paricheda. That is mind, that is physical, very clear. Second is Pacaya Parigaha, meaning is see the causes. By intention, got the action. Some people, they report. No action without intention. Whatever we are doing, there is intention is before what we are doing. Accidentally, what they say, accidentally. But the accidentally is we cannot catch the intention. There is. So that is why concentration, mindfulness, uh, very important. We put the efforts, our mindfulness sharp enough, concentrate on the object. That is what they are show, the TV, this television. You don't make your own channel. Don't switch off the channel. Don't change the channel. You have to see as real as what they show. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Coming and going, rising, falling. If you're more sharper, one rising is come and go, many come and go, one rising. Inside one rising process, one falling process also. Like, the sharper our concentration, mindfulness, the clearer we can see. Quite a number of yogi, they got that experience. So that is why, what is the mind mean? Mind knowing the object, but not exist in our body. We must understand. That is why the Buddha say non-self. This mind not exist in our body, that just arise and pass away, then we feel it, there is. Like water, you can see the water, right? Water, we see there is the water, but all the time is flowing. All the time is new water. In one spot, you see in the river current, water current is non-stop flowing, right? When the flowing one point, you point in one place, all the time is new water. They are non-stop. That is process, no? Water current, right? Water current is, you go there, there is not what you see, the water, they keep on going. But is there water? Yes, there is water. But the water is anytime new one. Understand what I mean? Our mind also the same. Anytime new one. Come and go, come and go, come and go, come. There is what we think exists. Those time before our Buddha got this knowledge by his own clear understanding and this clear comprehension, yet the time people believe like that. Very difficult to see. That is how is come and go. How is they arise and pass away. How is all the time is new one. That's why you may think of Sayadaw making a joke. Happy new rising, falling. If you really can be happy new rising, falling, kneel to the Nibbana. It's not the joke, you know. Because of that is, anytime our life is without rising, falling, in, out, you cannot proceed, right? That's the process. The day I say the process of solidity is there. So the process we can see, but part by part, bit by bit, one rising is many billions of the changing there. The sharper your concentration, mindfulness, the clearer we can see. Not necessarily all the molecule to see what. I already say, if you see the water is going, enough already. No need to see all the molecule of the water. We no need to set such. Because we need to clear our idea and our wrong view only. What? We are not testing like a scientist, right? We need to clear off our view only. Correct or not? Not by the lab practically. We are seeing by wisdom, by knowledge. Understand or not? We are analyzing by the knowledge. We are not analyzing with the physical like they are doing practical way. Our mind, we have the wisdom, we have the knowledge. That knowledge we can apply, correct or not, right or wrong, in our own experience, we can make our decision. Then your idea will be coming out. That right idea, right understanding, right view is can clear off the wrong view. Practical way is like that. That is the by, not by I, by mind and by wisdom, we can say by panya. Jnana chakku, we can say jnana chakku. Not chakku mean I. I that can see. Jnana mean is wisdom. Jnana chakku mean is wisdom I also can see. Some sort of like that. The person who must have the wisdom eye. That is why the Buddha say, my Dhamma, 100 years you thinking, analyzing, you cannot reach one. You must take the experience. Then only you have the knowledge, you have the wisdom. That is why Ataka Vachara, Pandita Vedaniya. Yes, Pandita means is the person who have wisdom. It's called Pandita. Pinyashi. That one important. Must clear about that. Continuously how we think of the everything is have the cause and effect. So now you already understood, the mind is not exist in our body, just arise and pass away. One finger snap, come and go is trillion of time. That means a movement also cannot stay. You see, one finger snap, 1 trillion time is come and go. Is how long can stay in our body? We can say that is why no more non-self. What the Buddha say, just come and go, just come and go. We cannot see exactly. We can see by our wisdom. Understand what I mean? That is called insight knowledge. Mindfulness, concentration, efforts. This based on atapi samajano satima. That is very important. Every day we recite, right? Kaya kaya nupadi viharati. Atapi samajano satima. Atapi means effort and pay attention. Satima is a mindfulness. Sambajano means very clear understanding to see. That is the way. Understand? This is very important for us to clear off, to reach, to clear off our wrong view, to reach to our target, Second question, where is our mind? Just now they say, if our mind inside our body, that means wrong view. So now we understood our mind is not inside our body, just arise and pass away. What is the mind? Mind is the thing, something that has ability knowing. Where is our mind? Ask back this question, where we are knowing. Where is our mind? Where we are knowing. That's we can now want to catch the mind already, right? Where we are knowing means is we knowing on sixth sense. Understand or not? What we see, we know. What we hear, we know. What we smell, we know. What we taste, we know. What we touch, we know. What we think back, we know. Understand? Huh? That is, where is our mind? Where we are knowing. When we see, we know our mind is on our eye. Understand what I mean? Exactly what the Buddha points. Where is our mind? Yes. What mind? Seeing mind is cannot be in ear. Very clear. Huh? Seeing mind is cannot be in ear. Seeing mind is where? In eye. Right? Without eye, can you see or not? Sorry. So without ear, can you hear or not? Sorry. That is why must clear. Where is our mind? What mind do you ask? Yes. Visible object. Knowing the visible object on our eye. Knowing the sound object. Our mind is in our ear. Knowing the smell object on our nose. Right? Taste object on our tongue. Tangible object. Tangible object is three kinds of tangible object they have. Hot and cold. That is tangible object. Another one is tense and loose. That is. Another one is hard and soft. It's three. Based on collective and fluid is we cannot touch one. 4 element, right? 4 element is 3 element is tangible. Collective and flow one is not included in tangible object. There's always collective one. Condition only. Hot and cold is a tangible object. Hot and soft. Sorry. Hard and soft is based on the earth element. Patavi, right? Say in Pali. Hot and cold is the fire element. That is, we can feel tangible object. Another one is tense. Tense and release and breathe some sort like this. So wind element. Now you all very obvious wind element. Go in. Oh, rise. Moving. Moving is wind element one. That is tangible object. Where is our tangible object? On our body, you can say, right? You can say on our abdomen. Abdomen is our body one. Right? Very clear of that. Where our mind. Our mind is, yes, it is where we got 6 sense. Thinking. Thinking is come from the heart. What they say. Some people, scientists, they say thinking is come from the brain. Right? What we say is, what the Buddha Abhidhamma say, thinking is come from the heart. Our mind. We have, this is also very interesting. Heart directly not accept the object. 5 sense. We say Kama guna. There's 5 kinds of Kama guna. Kama go, ngaba. 5 kinds of Kama guna. Whatever we see, whatever we hear, whatever we smell, whatever you taste, whatever you touch. We can get this 5 sense, right? That is what we call Panchadwara Vinyana. Panchadwara Vinyana means this 5 door Door means understand, huh? Don't misunderstand of this. This five door, this alone, they cannot know anything. This five sense, this sensitivity is rupa, not the nama. Sensitivity is physical. People a lot of misunderstand this. We also, when we wax yan, sensitivity is we think of as a mind. No. You see sensitivity, mobile, car also got sensitivity, right? Now robot, many robot, they got sensitivity. Drone, flying drone, also they make a lot of eye and sensitivity they can go. These sensitivity are physical. That is rupa, not nama. Sensitivity, we have eye sensitivity, ear sensitivity, nose sensitivity, tongue sensitivity, body sensitivity, right? They can take their own object. The day I already mentioned, don't make together like solidity. We have to clear. I take only visible object. Ears take only sound. They have their own object. We must clear. That is nama and rupa. Paticcheda. The clearance of these nama and rupa to clear off no I. That is based on knowledge. So you see, after you see, you know. Understand or not? This I and visible object just contact. After contact, we got I consciousness. We say Chakku pasada, and a visible object is a rupa ramana. The meaning is contact means the phasa, then Chakku vinyana meaning is arise. Understand? Sensitivity and object contact already. What is arise? Mind, consciousness arise. Then, where this mind? Eye consciousness is sure in the ear, in the eye, right? Ear consciousness is this. So once you knowing is just eye is cannot differentiate male or female or monk or what, don't know. They only know the visible object only. This eye is like camera. Camera take the whatever scenery, whatever, but this camera don't know anything, right? But it take the object, visible object only. Like recorder, only they record the sound only, right? Later they mix up, they become television or whatever is the other technology. Really by our beings as our life, we have, after we get the visible object, this eye consciousness, mind door will open. If you learn the Abhidhamma, you may see the thought process. Thought process is after Panchadara Vajana, Pancha Vajnana, Samprechana, Santirana, Votavana, Javana. Yeah, the process is like that. If I say like this, some may be confused. Put besides. One is all this five sensitivity walking with the mind door. One time is open two door. Two door means is the Pancha Dwara. Panjadwara means there's a five, from the five door, understood, huh? I hear one and mind door. What we see, no. What we hear, no. What we smell, no. What we taste, we know. What we touch, we know. Right? And that is why we think of, wait, where is our mind? Then what we know is, yes, that is our mind is arise, we know. After arise, straight away is pass away. Very clear of this in your own experience. Now you're hearing consciousness. Practical. Now I make the sound. I'm talking. You all good ear. You can hear my sound, right? I keep quiet. No more. Sound no more. Where got your mind? Hearing mind. To understand my sound. Right? Straight away, the sound and ear contact already. You know what the Sayadaw saying. How fast? Understand? The process is like that. Keep on talking. Keep on that conscious arising and pass away, rising, pass away. Just arise and pass away. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. If reach to 2 already, 1 no more already. This to 3 already, 2 no more already. Reach to 4 already, 3 no more already, right? One by one. Straight away, it pass away. That is reality. Now you can see me here. Why, Sayadaw? You're not disappear. Sound is straight away disappear. Why your physical visible objects are not disappear? Why? I'm continuously sitting here. That's why not disappear. Right? That is continuously, you know. When the raining time, you can see the lighting when strike. Pia, finish already. Can you see continuously or not? For why only? Everybody have seen, right? When raining time, the tender, they make trap. So they got the electricity, then they got lights. After piat, no more already. Why? Because the object is not continuously, mind is no way to get continuously. Just object is arise, they can catch, you can know. Understand what I mean? Must be clear of where is our mind. Our mind is in our body. But just arise and pass away. Eye is on our body, right? Ear is on our body. Nose, tongue, body. The body sensitivity is a body, right? Make clear and make sure in your own experience. That is theory. Can get? Yes, Sayadaw. Now you explain. We can get in our own experience. That is why we give the instruction to you all. Whatever you see, you have to note seeing, right? Whatever you hear, we have to note hearing. Smell, smelling. Whatever we are doing, just ask to note. Eating, chewing, swallowing, lifting, pushing forward, dropping, bending, stretching. Or whatever action, we have to pay attention to note. Your mind, stay together with your body, sure you know what is going on. That is called concentration. We no need to get absorbed absorbing concentration. No need the apana samadhi. We need the neighborhood concentration. Neighborhood concentration is upachara samadhi. That is called in Pali. This really can say momentary concentration, moment by moment, continuously. If you get 1 hour, half an hour, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, you can get clear. How we are practice? We are training our mind with the object. One theory. Mind without object never arise. That is theory. Mind always want to get the object. You see, you got ear, right? Sound object don't have, you cannot get hearing consciousness. Ear, they want to get the object. Eye, they want to get the object. It's nothing also, your mind thinking, looking for the object. That is why without object, there is no mind. Understand? Really, that is approved by when a bit deep niwa sanya na sanya yarana atasamapati, we can say it is when we go to the jhanic stage, first, second, third, fourth jhana. After that, that is samatha side. I mean, first, second, third, fourth jhana, then akasa ninjayarana, unyan ninjayarana, akinchanyayarana, niwasanyana. That means atasamapati. Finish already, there is, after that only can reach to the Nirodha Samapati. Nirodha Samapati, there is no mind already. Understand what I mean? Then Arahan and only Anagami can get one, their stages. Sotabana Sakadagami don't have the ability to reach that stage. That is how the process of mind, they stop there. How long you want to stay? 7 days you can stop one, no die without breathing. Some sort of like that. We, let's say this Sotabana Sakadagami, lower, got the 4 Arya Pugala, right? This Sotabana and Sakadagami, they can get just for a while, this is experience of the Nibbana. The sides, they can get quite firmly to used to enjoy, cannot say enjoy lah, because enjoy is a kind of, your English word is, I very scared to get misunderstanding. To use the Dhamma for their life. Or the Arhan, they say, Pachatang Veditabo Vinyuhi. Vinyuhi means all the Arhan and Arya Pukala. They can say enjoy lah. Enjoy is not sensual enjoyer, you know. They can happily can use Pichatang Veditaba. Veditaba is knowing very clear about individual, their own experience, their own Dhamma. That is their Palasamapati and Nirodha Samapati. That is very clear in our book. Our final goal also that. Practice. Now we know already, right? What is the mind? Where is the mind? So this mind come and go, come and go, come and go, come and go. We can see the process. Enough. No need to looking for anything because you open the television. That is live television. We can understand very clear what is our mind, where is our mind. If you note lifting, pushing forward, dropping, your mind is where? If you know your leg is moving, your mind is in your leg. If you know rising and falling, if you know this moving of your abdomen, your mind is on your body. If you pain, just my knee is pain. Okay, pain, pain. You know what is the mind? Something has ability knowing the object is mine. Right? This is not I, not you, not he, not she. Mind is mine. Object and sensitivity connect already, that you know. Wherever place they're coming, we can know. Right? That is why this mind is I or my mind, or how we can say. If you say this mind is my mind, sometimes my mind is not happy, you say, right? My mind is very happy. This my mind is without object, is this mind is not coming. Where got my mind? Very clear for the person who really, if you stay at the present, see as natural as they are, see as real as they are, you cannot find where I am. That is very clear. Our Buddha say, no I, no soul, no inner core. Can you get or not this information? Really, if you see in your own experience, you can make conform. Buddha Dhamma, they say, ehi pasika, they say, ehi become pasika, see yourself. What the Buddha give the instruction? You see like that, like live television, open on our sixth sense. Whatever we see, hear, smell, taste, touch, think, just note. When you note, stay at the present, don't thinking a lot. Itself will be clearer and clearer. In own experience, no need to ask other people. Some people, they ask, Sayadaw, I become like that, is correct or not? Your experience, come and ask me correct or not. How I can answer to you? Your experience, you can make sure. If you imagine, maybe this one, maybe that one is, that is not yet sure. Because our own experience, we can make sure. We are not watching to the other people, right? We watch our own experience at the present of the moment. Why we can say at the present of the moment? Imagination cannot make sure. Thinking cannot make sure. Yesterday something happened. Today you think of exactly, you cannot get one. Right? Maybe. Future also, maybe. That is why when we discuss about the interview time, please express your own experience, what you know, sincerely, honestly. Good or bad, doesn't matter. I always say, what you know is important. Some may good, sometimes may not good. This is, I remind again to you, good also don't like it. Understand what I mean? Majority our yogi, a bit calm and peace already. Wow. They like it. If you like greed, right? If you don't like, sometimes maybe not satisfied about the pain now, what are complicated. The mind thinking, they have their own causes. If you're thinking somewhere else, something disturbed to you, your practice not good. So the here pain, there pain, here, all the things, so the 1 hour very long. When you stay at the present, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Oh, for why this 1 hour finish already? Like that. Very restless time, a lot of pain and a lot of frustration coming, a lot of distraction coming. I don't like it. Got anger. This is not wholesome. This like or dislike is unwholesome. Akusala. The akusala, there's no get the purification. Not get purification, how can progress? We go on. That is why anytime good or bad is not our business. To know is our business. Let it be. Don't make any own suggestion. I want that. I want this. Sorry. I don't want anything. Okay. Whatever it is. Television. Don't forget television. I open the television, there's 6 channels. They got 6 channel. We get 6 channel. Sometimes there's eating channel. Very good. Take one to take again. That is greed, Sometimes we saw there is a visible channel. Oh, so beautiful. That is also not the way. Sometimes good sound. Sometimes good smell, right? This by 6 channel at the present of the time, really vipassana yogi. We are trying to vipassana insight knowledge to get clear understanding of our life. That is why what our life is only the 6 sense and 6 object match, contact, that is called phassa. After contact only, they arise this mind and straight away pass away. Just arise and pass away. Arise. You see, you chewing time very clear if you stay at the present. When we're eating, you chewing. For why only? After finish already, pass to the here, your neck, no more ready. Right? Where the taste go to where? Don't know. That consciousness, if you knowing very good taste, go to where? Knowing is mind, right? If you knowing very good taste, that mind going to where? Pass away already. Then come and go. Every movement we can see there is this mind and this body and this object and this sensitivity, how they are functioning. If really can see that yogi, you cannot find where I am. That is really, if you cannot find where I am, what the Buddha say, no I, no soul, no inner core. That your idea, very easy to switch off already, the wrong idea. Right? Can get or not this information? Can get clear information or not? Today, so what is the mind? What is the atta and citta? No atta. Citta we have, but not exist. Just arise and pass away. Pass away to where? Don't know. Just like candlelight. You blow off the flame. The flame, candlelight flame, right? You blow off already, the fire go to where? That is called cessation or cease already. What? Come, pass away, arising and pass away. Understand what I mean? That is the Yatayam Badipo. They say, because like cease means is cessation means like that. Badipa means like a candlelight. You blow off the candlelight, no more that phenomena. Some sort of that is called cessations of suffering, no? Hmm? So need to understand clearly there is, we have mind, but not exist in our body, just come and go, just arise and pass away. That type of mind continuously arise, arise, arise. That is why we think, not only we think, the whole universe, they think of that it exists in this universe, but they have their own causes. Today, summarize. You must understand exactly what is the mind. No soul, no atta. This is put beside already. What is the mind? Where is the mind? So tomorrow, I will explain how we get this mind. Okay? So today is the time is up. So wish you all, may you all be able to clear of your wrong idea that exists in our body of this soul or mind or whatever wrong view as soon as possible in this very life, in this retreat. Sadhu, sadhu.